Hey there melons! Today I'll show you how to make a simple acid rain. First you need a water gun turned sideways. It looks and works a bit like this. Just copy those and put them in a straight line. It's a bit loud too. Then, get some acid vaccines and hide them here. Now, when someone walks into it, they get injected, then they melt. This gives off an effect that looks like he is melting due to the quote-unquote acid rain. It's a bit realistic already, but you can upgrade it if you want to. Thanks for watching.